All right, let's review Core Impact, the great big daddy tool. It's got a flexible framework of tools to conduct pen testing. It's fairly priced at $2,500 and up, although that number can increase exponentially as you start adding computers. It's very powerful. It's got a library of attack tools that is extremely flexible. It's got a beautiful graphical user interface. It's Python based with modular scripts that you can customize. It installs remote agents for remote syscall proxy capability, so once you infect that machine, you can escalate your level of interaction with it, and from there launch more and more deeper attacks. It's dynamic on-demand shellcode generation, so it can generate on the fly once it's infected a target. It's overall probably your most robust and flexible option. It is very highly polished, and it's a mature product. Of course, it does come at a cost. It's a commercial product, and it shows. Canvas is also a commercial product and written by a famous hacker in his own right. It's got a very strong framework. It's a little less expensive than Core. It's also written entirely in Python, so it's portable to many different platforms, and it's also highly customizable. It's a modular system, just as Core is. It's got built-in fuzzing capability. Fuzzing is sort of the ability to look at binary files and find exploits in them by throwing junk at them, and that is built into Canvas. It's got remote syscall proxy capability, just as Core did, so you can, once you've exploited the machine with an exploit, you can use that shell to inject other further exploits into memory. And it's got dynamic on-demand shellcode generation as well. Finally, we've got Metasploit. It's Perl-based, not Python-based, but they're very similar. It's flexible framework for penetration testing and exploit development. It's the cheapest of all. It's absolutely free. You can download it every day. There are 3 different user interfaces. One is that menu sort of prompt-driven console-based. The other is the plain old command line-based, and another is a web-based version. It's an incredible tool-based, web-based shellcode generation tool. It's got strong exploit development binaries that are easy to extend or add modules to. It's very customizable for a developer. It's got Cygwin bundled in, so it will work on Windows as long as you have the proper tools installed. And it will support multi-stage payloads in its delivery. That's Metasploit.